I did have a hugely ugly, well, currently, but very successful project over the weekend. I wanted to put it in ABS, and I wanted to go from there, right? So I've always had the idea of getting foam board and putting my FLSun-QQ inside. And that's what I did. And I can even print with nylon. I just did my first nylon print and it came out just amazing. No joke. I always put the blue tape and the glue on, no matter what I'm using. And then until it comes up, I leave it on. Hey, here's a little nylon phone stand that I made. These little ends here always break off on the relay, and even PETG. I've had those break off too, but it does a better job. But we'll see how the nylon does. See if we break one of those or not. But yeah, works great. Nylon was, none of them, knock on wood, none have given me any trouble. I do have an upgraded hot end in there. I broke my old one that came with the FLSun-QQ Pro, and I upgraded it to a Creality Spider, and it's bimetal, and so it works hot enough. So it's good. I recommend doing I'm making it prettier. I'll have to do that at some point. But